In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to stop receiving Wells Fargo paper statements. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo mobile app or visit the official website of Wells Fargo. Provide your credentials and log into your account. After signing in, go to the account for which you want to stop receiving paper statements. Then look for the statements and documents or document delivery preferences section. Next, select manage delivery preferences or a similar option. You will see your current statement delivery method. Choose electronic statements or paperless instead of paper statements. If prompted, review the terms and conditions and agree to receive your statements electronically. Then select save, confirm or submit to apply your changes. Wells Fargo may ask you to verify your identity with one-time security code sent to a registered phone number or email address. Enter the code to complete the process. Once the update is successful, future eligible account statements will be delivered electronically instead of by mail. You can access them anytime by signing into your account and opening the statement section, where you can view, download, or print them whenever needed. So that's it. You have successfully stopped receiving Wells Fargo paper statements and switched to electronic statements. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.